cartel.
What's up, YouTube? We're here at modfx. We're about to do a 2.5 rough country lift kit. It's the one without spring or shocks. It's just a small little leveling kit, basically. We're about to start, so stay tuned. What's up, Pat?
What's up?
Randall over there working on nothing. He's making believe he's working today.
No.
He's having breakfast. He's chilling. Nah, just kidding. Ralphie boy over here to get some stuff done. Y'all already know his car right here. Yeah, he's got that 426 motor thrown in there. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is remove all 4 wheels. That's obvious. Are you lifted up on it right now?
No.
Yeah, lift it up so it don't drop down on me.
Excuse me.
There we go. Thank you, Pat. All right, so the neck bone connected to the cheekbone. You already figured that one out, right? Can I get the 18 wrench on it? 18 wrench? 18? There we go. Alright, so that's the other way. Push forward, isn't it?
Nope, come towards me.
There we go. First thing we're gonna do, well, this is the second part already. We already loosened the shock bolts. I'm gonna take the sway bar end links off. Okay, that's already off. Honestly, retain the lower one because you're gonna need it. Use it again. You just put it there to hold the spot. Cool. All right, we're gonna release the lines for the brake ABS. That way we got some movement. I got one hand on the bottom. Release those so that way it doesn't get jammed up or caught. Now we're gonna lower the suspension down on the jack so we can loosen the speed. Huh?
10?
Which one?
For the
This one right
bracket?
here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and, I need number 10. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this one too because we gotta get in there. I found one, I think. Here you go. That number 10 right here for the ABS and lines allows us to go in there. And we're gonna put a bolt and a spacer in here.
Going down?
Yeah, it's like the bump stop. Yeah. Cool. There we go, out of there. Nope, now we're gonna remove the spring. Tell me when you're ready. We good?
Good.
There we go, spring is out. All right, when you remove it, you're gonna take the upper mount, put it on the new one, and put it right back up there. There's a little notch in there, so where's that notch? There we go. All right, and we gotta put the spring back in. All right, ready? Over here, this is where I took off that bracket so you can get your hands and put that 18 millimeter, I think, or 9/16, right?
9/16.
And I'm already there. I'm there. So the bottom is a 14 millimeter bolt, and then the top is a 9/16, so 14 millimeters as well. Right?
Same thing.
That's it. Now we're gonna put the shock extensions on there. 14? So
14s.
14. You want to make sure that the bracket is aiming and facing that way so that the strut is straight. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take the other bolt and the spacer and we'll put it in between here. Nothing's going to be tightened up just yet until we get the shock and everything aligned up again. Here's your spacer. So the lower one gets the original hardware. The top one gets the new hardware, which is like a 22mm.
Up on the roof, you know?
What's up, bud? How you doing?
Good. Missed the show last night.
I see. Alright. And this is gonna go next. We're gonna lift it up from here. Alright, let's go ahead and jack it up and let me get those pumps. Then we're gonna use a new provider hardware, and I believe this is I think this is 19 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 19. And that's gonna go here once this shock is lined up real quick. Wait for Patrick to raise it up for me. And that's the reason why we loosen this, so this is not strained or messing anything up.
Oh shit.
What happened? Who that?
Came over that hump.
Huh?
Scraped the shit out of him.
He did?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Nah, you like focus me riding that motherfucker.
Let me get a 14, please. You can pause it for a moment. And now on the lower mount, it has a 14mm bolt, 14mm top and bottom. We're gonna tighten that one up. We tighten that up after all this is aligned. You don't want that to be tight. So now it kind of don't move. We can tighten all this up back and look over here, and you make sure that your shock is nice and straight coming down. Then you know you're within the alignment that you need. Finish this up tight right here.
There's another one should be. Sway bar for this side.
Yeah, we gotta go that sway bar on that side too next. I'm gonna put all these back in place. Everything lines up just perfect.
And the sway bar inlink back on the new one that's provided in the kit. Comes with the, you reinstall the factory one, and then on this one it's going to use the new bolt provided in the kit. Tighten up all the hardware, and then good. Front's all finished.